Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile and log into your account. From your account page, we want to click on emoji or the profile icon in the top left corner, and in our profile page, we have to click on this gear icon in the top right corner, and from this page, we have to scroll down and find this option memories. Just simply tap on this memories. Now I want to show you two options here. One is this save option. So if you go to this save option, you want to make sure if your is set to camera roll or memories, you could set it to be both. So let's select this memories and camera roll, or you could just set it to be camera rolls if you want to save things that way. And then go back here, and then the option underneath it, auto save snaps, tap on it. You can even do that, auto save my story snaps, that could be saved as well over here. And then you are all set. You don't have to press save, and that's how you back up your camera roll on your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.